Hi guys. Magtunog ah. So, itutur ko kayo sa farm ko. I'm grow a garden to, by the way. And look at my makeup today. It's so beautiful, right? So, tara na. So, we have a fox. And we have ito ang pangarap ko. Meron tayong crab and capybara. So cute. And meron tayong malalaking pepper. Meron tayong Phaedra. Pepper. Oo, pepper. Meron tayong grapes, amber lily, honeysuckle, and peach. Dalawang peach ko, and ano ba to? Mango, and cacao, nectarine, ano una ulit to? Strawberry, foxglove, and ano tawag dito? Purple dala, sugar apple, at tapos peach ulit, grapes ulit, and pineapple, avocado, and then beanstalk, syempre. And we have a pink lily. And we have some flower seed. Ang laki. Kaya naging malaki. Meron tayong prickly pear. Prickly pear pala to. Tapos meron tayong coconut seed. Tapos meron tayong saging. Tapos meron tayong house dito. Tapos sa labas tayo. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. Sobrang laki. This one. Actually, bigay lang sa akin to. Hindi ko alam kung sino. So, thunder naman niya yun. Let's check the price. Paldo tayo. So, yun lang. Bye-bye!